Hi, my name is Avnit Kaur, and for the Spark Up Hackathon, I made Oasys. Currently, around 4 billion people face water scarcity, and agriculture is responsible for 70% of global freshwater use. In fact, agriculture wastes up to 60% of that water due to inefficient irrigation, which costs farmers around $900 billion worldwide. Oasys changes that and empowers farmers economically. Oasys is a low-cost, intelligent, Arduino-powered smart irrigation system that seamlessly integrates multiple sensors, including soil moisture, temperature, humidity, ultrasonic distance, and tilt detection, and supports multiple different settings using the IR remote, and delivers performance insights through an LCD interface, allowing for precise, automated water management. Let's see Oasys in action. Okay, so one thing about watering plants is that there should not be too much sunlight outside because that leads to evaporation of the water, which leads to inadequate water for the plants as well as water wastage. So that's one of the logics in my code that is looking at the amount of sunlight outside. And something going hand in hand with that is the time of day. So the time should be between 5 to 9 a.m. and 6 to 8 p.m. because that's when the sunlight is adequate and it would not lead to over evaporation of the water. So let's see my project in action. Right now, you can control using the IR remote, the mode you want to be in. So for right now, I pressed 1, which is auto. And you can see it is not watering right now on the LCD display. So now if I place my soil moisture sensor inside of the plant soil, just like that, and I turn off the lights to indicate that there is less sunlight outside since we are indoors right now, we will see that it is currently watering and the pump has been turned on by the servo motor. We can see the current time is 7:05. Okay, so now if I put the soil moisture sensor into the water, that signals that there is enough moisture in the soil and therefore the servo motor should turn 90 degrees, signaling that the water pump has been turned off. So if I take it out of the soil, place it in the water, we can see that it says not watering and the servo motor has rotated. Now using the IR remote, I can change the setting to 2. Now we can see it is manual and we can still see it's not watering. Now in this manual setting, a user can wave their hand in front of the ultrasonic distance sensor, and if they want to specifically focus on an area to water even more, they can do that with the manual setting. We can see it's watering. I remove my hand and the servo motor has turned 90 degrees, signaling that the pump has turned off. Thank you so much to Spark Up for giving me the opportunity to build Oasys.